Good morning. I'm Ada with Infinity Fun and Travel, and welcome to today's IFAT travel offers, Friday, July 17th. Every morning I walk through every single partner promotion on our website, and today we have 72 active offers. Before we start, 3 headlines. 1. MSC's $49 a night flash sale ended last night. If you missed it, I'm sorry. That's exactly why you watch these daily. 2. Swan Hellenic's Europe flash offer with no solo supplement ends today. And 3. Viking's Weekend Sale with free international airfare and a free beverage package is gone after Sunday. Let's get into all of it. First, the Clock Watchers. Ending today. Swan Hellenic's Europe flash offer. Limited fares with no solo supplement. Lisbon to Fuerteventura from $2,700 per person. Dublin to Lisbon from $39.99. Solo travelers. This is your day. Call me this morning. Ending Sunday. Vikings Weekend Sale. Free international airfare, free Silver Spirits beverage package, reduced fares, and you hold it all with just a $25 deposit. If a river or ocean itinerary has been on your mind, this weekend is the time to lock the fare. Now the Monday deadlines and 4 offers disappear after July 20th. Royal Caribbean's September celebration savings up to $1,100 off September sailings. Royal Caribbean's all-in sale, up to $850 instant savings per stateroom. Celebrities Exciting Deals Week, 75% off your second guest, up to $700 off, and third through fifth guests free on select sailings. And Vacation Express's Jamaica promo sale, up to $150 off Jamaica packages with double savings at Royalton Resorts. 4 chances to save, all gone Monday night. Through next week. Holland America's Travel by Sea plus Christmas in July. Free crew appreciation, half-off deposits, free kids' fares, and the Have-It-All package. That ends Thursday, the 23rd. Vacation Express has 2 ending Friday, the 24th. The Goodbye Summer Sale, 7 nights all-inclusive in Punta Cana from $10.99 with air. And the Grand Cayman Getaway, 3 nights from $689 with round-trip air, plus up to $250 in resort credit. Celebrities' 250th celebration sale and Omni's jingle in July, 30% off festive season stays, both end Monday, the 27th. Explora Journeys savings event with up to 25% off, plus up to $3,500 in Explora credit, ends the 28th. And Windstar's Christmas in July, $150 per person shipboard credit, plus a free all-inclusive upgrade worth over $1,300 for 2, ends the 29th. Now the big one. 15 offers all end July 31st, 2 weeks from today. The cruise lines first. Viking has 3. The Spirit of Independence Sale. Free air, plus $500 shipboard credit per couple. The Quiet Season Mediterranean. Free air, plus $500 per person shipboard credit, and the Bastille Day France offer, free air, credit, and beverage package on France River cruises. Royal Caribbean's Signature. July exclusive adds a complimentary spa experience on longer Bahamas, Bermuda, and Caribbean sailings. Explora's Partner of the Month gives up to $800 journey credit per suite. AMA Waterways Anniversary offer, extended, takes up to $2,500 off per stateroom plus onboard credit, with air add-ons from $599. Crystal covers up to $2,000 toward your flights on Caribbean sailings. Star Clipper's Easy 8 group promotion, 8% savings, and from your 8th guest, a free berth. Girlfriends Getaways, Family Reunions, Call Me, and Virgin Voyages, free balcony upgrade plus 70% off your second sailor. Still July 31st, Natural Habitat's Galapagos Expedition adds a gear credit up to $250 per couple. Delta Vacations Sky Miles savings up to $250 off packages. Brendan Vacations up to $500 per person off Ireland and Scotland. G Adventures up to 20% off worldwide tours and up to 35% off Antarctica this fall. Classic Vacations Signature 70th exclusive covers Hawaii, Italy, Mexico, and more. American Airlines Vacations $150 off Jamaica packages plus bonus miles. And Iberostar summer savings plus free room upgrades at their beachfront resorts. 15 offers, 1 deadline, July 31st. Into August. Royal Caribbean's July sale runs through August 3rd. 60% off your second guest, third and fourth guests free, and kids 12 and under sale free. Nat Geo-Lindblad's 2026 voyage sale, 15% off including the Peruvian Amazon, has a booking window in early August. Don't wait on that one. Then August 15th is a busy wall. Vacation Express's Bahamas deal, $250 off plus air credit. Victory Cruise Lines Canada and New England fall foliage sailings, up to $5,000 off. The Bahamas Ministry of Tourism's $250 instant credit on air-inclusive stays. And Frontiers North's 10% off Churchill, Manitoba expeditions, that's Polar Bear's friends. And Vacation Express's Mexico Resort Spotlight, up to 65% off Park Royal properties, runs to August 20th. Late August, Disney Cruise Line's Fall and Holiday Savings up to $1,500 off voyage fares. That ends August 30th. August 31st is another triple. Regent Seven Seas Iconic Explorations, a free pre- or post-cruise land program. Regent's 35th anniversary, up to 35% off 35 voyages plus shipboard credit. And Princess's Cyber Summer Sale, up to 40% off. $99 deposits, and free third and fourth guests. Also new on the list, Uniworld's complimentary land offer, free extra nights at 5-star hotels, with breakfast, transfers, and a local host, on select 2027 river itineraries. That's the river cruise upgrade nobody tells you about. Then September 30th, Azamara's More to Discover event, up to $1,000 onboard credit, and Aurora Expeditions Arctic Anniversary savings, up to 30% off, plus air credit up to $3,500 per person. Looking further out. Princess's 2028 early booking bonus, up to $500 instant savings, plus up to $500 onboard credit, $100 deposits, runs to October 12th. Swan Hellenic's Asia Unlocked for 2027, free balcony upgrade, Wi-Fi, and onboard credit, through November 9th. Windstar's all-inclusive upgrade with reduced deposits runs to mid-November, with their 7-for-7 flash fares refreshing every week. Celebrities Captain's Club members get Las Vegas perks at MGM through late November, and Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection has $300 shipboard credit per suite on most sailings through the end of the year. Now the ongoing offers, no published deadline, but suppliers can pull them anytime. On the cruise side, MSC's summer savings, up to 30% off, plus up to $500 onboard credit, and kids sail free. Swan Hellenic's solo traveler offer, up to 50% off for solos, plus their South Georgia expedition fares. Holland America's 2027 Alaska cruise tours include a free cruise tour dining package worth up to $829 per person. And if you saw my Alaska episode, you know how I feel about cruise tours. Explora's Zero Solo Supplement on select journeys. AMA Waterways signature AMA Max inclusions. Star Clippers Caribbean 2028 perks. Free excursions and Wi-Fi. Seabourn has last-minute getaways up to 15% off, and their exploration awaits savings up to $2,000. Norwegian's semi-annual sale, their biggest of the season. American Cruise Lines' Southeast and holiday cruises with free airfare and up to $1,600 in savings. Scenic's 2-for-1 all-inclusive fares. Australis's Patagonia Blowout, $700 per cabin off the Chilean fjords. And Atlas Ocean Voyages Adventurer Deal. Air credit up to $9,000 per suite on Asia and Africa. On land, Sandals and Beaches are running Black Friday in July with special advisor pricing. Yes, advisor pricing, that's me. Nat Geo-Lindblad has early access to their 28 and 29 voyages plus 50% reduced deposits. CIE Tours, up to $1,200 per couple off 2027 Ireland and Scotland, plus their Spain and Portugal tours. The TTC brands, Trafalgar, Insight, and Friends, up to 15% off last-minute departures. Aurora's Europe Companion offer, second guest sails free on select 2027 expeditions. Canyon Spirit's Scenic Rail in the Southwest with a complimentary premier upgrade. And for the Disney family, a 2-day, 2-park ticket from $199, Epcot and Animal Kingdom. That's the cheapest way into Disney World I've seen in a while. That's all 72. And remember, some of the best offers I have, I'm not allowed to advertise. Reserved fares and amenities for Infinity Fun and Travel clients only. So here's your next step. Call me at 855-229-5723, extension 1. Tell me where you want to go, and I'll match you with the right offer and handle every detail. The full list, updated daily, is at infinityfunandtravel.com. And if you want to talk it through, book a free discovery call from the link below. I'm Ada Janisic. Subscribe and hit the bell because this list changes every morning. And the deal you're waiting for might be in tomorrow's video. Have a wonderful Friday. Dream big, travel well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.